Hello everyone, myself Hans. Today we are going to discuss the problem of vector calculus of UPSC 2009. In the question, find the directional derivatives of first is given by 4x into z cube minus of 3x square y square into z square at 2 comma minus 1 comma 2 along z axis, and the second is given by x square yz plus 4xz square at 1 comma minus 2 comma 1 in the direction of the given vector 2I cap minus of j cap minus of 2k cap. Let's solve the problem. This question is for 12 marks UPSC AGIR 2009. First we have to discuss first problem. Let's solve the problem. Solution of first. Here given 4x z cube minus of 3x square into y square into z square at 2 comma minus 1 comma 2 along z axis. Let's solve the problem. First we have to let given function is equal to 5. This is 4x into z cube minus of 3x square y square into z square, and we have to find the directional derivatives. Directional derivatives is given by del phi. Del phi here, del represent, here del vector represent del y del x of I cap plus of del y of j cap plus of del upon del z of k cap. We have to solve getting this is given by del upon del x I cap plus of del upon del y j cap plus of del upon del z k cap, and this is dot product with 4x into z cube minus of 3x square y square into z square. We have to find, first we have to differentiate for x axis along, we have to differentiate given function with respect to x. This gives, from here taking z cube is constant, then we have to get 4x z cube. Differentiating this gives 4z cube. 4z cube. Here we have to differentiating y square and z square is taking constant, and x square differentiating with respect to x. This gives 2x. This is minus of 6x y square into z square, and this is for I cap. This is for x axis along x axis, and further for j cap. Differentiating along with y axis, differentiating given function with respect to y. From here 4x z cube differentiating with respect to y, this gives 0, and here 3x square and z square is taking constant, and y square differentiating with respect to y, this gives 2y. So we have to get 2y into 3, this is 6y into x square into z square. This is for k cap, and plus of 4 along z cap, differentiating given function with respect to z. This is given by 4x is taking constant and z cube differentiating with respect to z. This is given by 3z square, and 3 into 4, this is 12x into z square, minus of here minus of 3x square into y square is taking constant, and differentiating z square with respect to z. This is given by 2z. This is 3 to the 6x square y square into z. This is for k cap, and we have to find the directional derivatives at a point. This is the directional derivatives, and we have to find at directional derivative at a point. This is given by 2 comma minus 1 comma 2. Here these two represent x and minus 1 y. This is 2 is z. We have to put in here. This gives In place of z cube we have to put 2, and 2 cube this gives 8, and 8 fours are 32, minus of 6. Here x is 2 and y is minus 1, and squaring this gives 1, and z is 2, on squaring this gives 4. This is I cap plus of here 0 minus here 6, here y is minus of 1, and x is 2, on squaring this gives 4, and z is also 2, on squaring this gives also 4. This is for z cap. And for k cap here 12, here x is 2 and z is also 2, on squaring this gives 4, minus of 6 into x square, here x is 2, on squaring this gives 4, on y is here minus of 1, on squaring this gives 1, and z is 2. This is for k cap. And further we have to simplify. We get 32, and here 6 to the 12, 12 fours are 48, minus of 48 I cap plus of here minus of 6 into minus of 1. This is plus of 6, and 4 fours are 16, and 16 6 are 96. So we have to write here 96 j cap, and from here this gives plus of 4 to the 8, and 12 8s are 96, minus of 6 4s are 24, 24 2s are 48, and this is k cap. And further we can also simplify. We get 32 minus of 48, this gives 16, minus of 16 I cap, and plus of 96 j cap, and here 96 minus of 46, we get 48 k cap. This is the directional derivative at a point, directional derivative at a point 2 comma minus 1 comma 2, and we have to find along the z axis. So we have to find along the z axis only. So we have to multiply once again. We have to multiply. This is 48 k, and we have to find along z axis. Z axis represent k cap. For k cap we have to multiply with the I once again. Divergence is this, and we have to putting. We have to not solving for I cap and j cap. Simply we can only find for k cap. So we get only for once again for along z axis. We only consider for k cap, and this is given by directional derivative at point 2 comma minus 1 comma 2 along z axis is 48 k cap. This is the required solution of the first part. Further we have to solve for second part. Once again we have to solving for second part. Solution of second part. From here we have to get the function x square into yz plus of 4x into z square, and the point is given 1 comma minus 2 comma 1 in the direction of the vector. Direction vector is given by this is 2 I cap minus of j cap minus of 2k cap. And we have to find the directional derivatives at a point 1 comma minus 2 comma 1 in the direction of the given vector. Here we have to let this is the vector. This is a vector 2I cap minus of j cap minus of 2k cap. Further we have to find the unit vector, and the unit vector is given by a vector upon mod of a vector. So we have to write here this is 2I cap minus of j cap minus of 2k cap, and the mod is given in the under root of coefficient of ijk. This is given by 2 to the 4, and this is 1, and this is also 4. We get a unit vector is here. This is unit vector. A unit vector, this is given by 2I cap minus of j cap minus of 2k cap upon under root of 448 plus 9. This is 9 under root of 9. This is 3. Under root 9 is equal to 3. And further we have to solve the for directional derivatives. Let the given function is equal to 5 x square yz plus of 4x into z square, and we have to find directional derivatives. This is given by del phi, and del is represented by del y del x of I cap plus of del upon del y of j cap plus of del upon del z of k cap. We get the dot product with the given function x square into yz plus of 4x into z square, and from here we get del phi is equal to differentiating given function with respect to x. Here taking yz is constant. This is given by 2x yz, and from here differentiating x with respect to x, taking 4z square is constant. This gives 4z square. This is for I cap, and for further for yj cap, differentiating with respect to y, the given function here x square yz is taking constant. This gives differentiating y with respect to y, this gives 1. This is x square into z plus of here the function of y is not present, so we have to get 0, and this is for j cap plus of different for along k cap for z axis, differentiating given function with respect to z, this gives here x square into y is taking constant, and z differentiating with respect to z, this gives x square into y plus of here 4x is taking constant, differentiating with respect to z, z square is 2z, this is given by 8xz, this is for k cap. And we have to find for del phi directional derivative at a point is given by 1 comma minus 2 comma 1. Here this 1 is represent x, this is y, and this is z. And further we have to solve putting in place of x, this is 2 into 1, and in place of y putting minus of 2, and in place of z we get 1. This is for, and here once again this is plus of 4, and in place of z we get put 1. This is for I cap plus of here x square into z. Here x is 1 and z is also 1. This gives 1. This is totally j cap plus of here x square in place of x is 1 and y is minus of 2. We get minus of 2 plus here into 8, x is 1 here and z is also 1. This is for k cap. And further we have to simplify directional derivatives at a point. This is given by 1 comma minus 2 comma 1 is given by, or this is 2 and 2 and minus of 2, this is given by minus of 4 and minus of 4 and plus of 4. We get this is 0 I cap, this is 0 I cap, and from here plus of j cap, and when solving this we get 8 minus of 2, this is plus of 6 k cap. And we have to find the directional derivatives along a vector, and this is we have to get directional derivative along with a vector is given by del phi at a point at a point 1 comma minus 2 comma 1 dot product with a unit vector, and we get the required directional derivatives. This is from the value is given by, this is 0 not considered, we can write here 0 I cap plus of j cap plus of 6k cap and dot product with the a unit vector. This is given by 2i cap minus of j cap minus of 2k cap upon 3, and we have to solve. We get the directional derivatives in the direction of vector 2i minus j minus of 2k. We have to solving 0 multiply with the 0 cap, we get 0, and j cap multiply with j, this is given by minus of 1, and here 6k multiply with minus of 2k, this is given by minus of 12 upon 3, and from here this is minus 13 upon 3, and we get the required answer. We can also neglect the minus, this is given by 13 upon 3. This is the required directional derivatives along the direction of 2i vector minus of j minus of 2k cap. Thank you class, and thank you for watching.